Hi, today we're going to be learning more about nonfiction text features. So last time we learned about nonfiction text features, we learned about the different kinds of nonfiction text features. Well, today we are going to work on identifying the different nonfiction text features and using those text features to help us understand a nonfiction text. So let's get started. So first of all, in the article that we're reading, let's identify some of the nonfiction text features that we see. So as you can see here, bugs all around is a heading. A heading tells the reader what they're going to be reading about. Then underneath the picture of the boy with the magnifying glass, we have a caption, and the caption says, "This boy is using a magnifying glass to search for bugs in the grass." We also have a photo. A photo is a real life image that'll help the reader understand what they're reading about. Lastly, in this article, we have our subheading. The subheading is just a more detailed version of the heading. So if the heading is bugs all around, then the subheading, so the specific paragraph, is going to be about bugs that can't fly. And then we also are going to have a second paragraph to read, which the subheading is bugs that can fly. And there's also another caption with this picture. And this caption says that this fly has two thin wings attached to its back. So let's go through and read the article. Exploring bugs. Bugs all around. Bugs that can't fly. There are numerous bugs around the world that cannot fly. Ants, cockroaches, spiders, and caterpillars are among these. Despite not being able to fly, these bugs can still move around fine, and many of them can move quite deftly or skillfully. Insects have 6 legs, so smaller animals like ants and cockroaches are very fast for their size. Ants are also very strong and can carry objects up to 50 times their body weight. And again, the caption for this picture right here, it says, "This boy is using a magnifying glass to search for bugs in the grass." And then the bugs that he's looking for in the grass are probably going to be bugs that can't fly, because those bugs will be on the ground. Next, this next paragraph is titled, "Bugs That Can Fly." Many bugs can fly, and these are found all over the world. Some of the most common flying insects are flies, butterflies, bees, and beetles. Beetles have multiple sets of wings, while other insects, such as flies, have only one set of wings. Butterflies have very unique and often brightly colored wings that make them stand out from other insects. And this caption says that this fly has two thin wings attached to its back, because in this paragraph they talked about bugs that can fly and the wings on different insects. So the first thing we have to do is list 3 different text features that we found in these paragraphs. And I saw in both paragraphs there was a photo. So there's a photo of a fly, and there's also the photo of the boy. There was a heading. The heading is bugs all around. And then there was a caption. There was a caption underneath this picture and a caption underneath this picture. Now that we've found 3 different text features, now we are going to answer their question, how it helps me understand the text. So basically, why does the author include these text features? So first, for a photograph, the photograph shows a real-life image of a boy looking for bugs and a picture of a fly. And that helps me understand what the wings on a fly look like and where bugs that can't fly might be found. Next, the heading will tell the reader specifically what they will be reading about. And lastly, for this part, caption, the caption explains what the picture is of. So if they didn't have the caption, for example, underneath this picture of a fly, it says that the fly has two thin wings attached to its back. I could probably figure out that this is a fly if I'm looking at the picture. However, I might not know why the author included that picture. But now, since they included the caption, I know that it's to show us the fly's wings. All right, so the question is, explain how each of the pictures match the paragraph it's next to. Since we just talked about the fly, I decided to stick with that one. So why or how does this match the paragraph it is next to? We just talked about this. The picture shows the fly's wings. It's a very close-up picture of a fly. And the paragraph talks about bugs that can fly, and it also talks about the different kinds of wings that a fly has or different bugs have. So that is why it matches with that paragraph. Then it says, contrast the different types of bugs described in the text. So in the first paragraph, we had bugs that can't fly. And in the second paragraph, it talked about bugs that can fly. So to contrast something, that means to figure out how they are different. So I said the first type of bugs cannot fly, and the second type of bugs can fly. That is how they are different. Last question here. We have, which type of bugs may the child look, which type of bugs may the child be looking for in the photo? They must have missed a word when they were writing that question. That's okay. So in this photo, what kind of bugs do you think the child's looking for? Well, we can use some nonfiction text features to figure it out. The subheading gives us a huge clue. The subheading says bugs that can't fly. And then it also has here a list of bugs that can't fly. So the answer would be, he was looking for bugs that can't fly. Some examples would be ants, cockroaches, spiders, and caterpillars. I hope this activity helped you understand how nonfiction text features can help you understand what you're reading. And if you have any questions, please ask for help. Have a great day.